So once you've used your filters and you've got your audience, the best thing to do is qualify them and make sure they're a great fit. So what I'll usually do is come, have a look, I'll hover over the company, make sure the application and what they do is a match for who I'm looking for. I can also see their company size by the number of employees. And then if they're a fit, I'll come here and I'll invite them to connect. So let's say Rowan was a fit, I'll come here, click connect, send the invitation. So we recommend sending anywhere from 5 or more connection invitations a day. You'll get a pretty good feel for the volume of people that connect with you and how many message opportunities that creates, and then how that translates into leads over time. Now, we obviously do this day in and day out for several clients and businesses across several strategies, so we've got a pretty good feel across many different industries and sectors. So you're welcome to reach out and ask to see if we've got an example for your industry, and we're of course happy to give you a custom one-on-one 15-minute session. You can book in on Calendly if you want to go through this process with us, and we can show you an example for your business. So that's available. And what we recommend is spending that time to qualify, because the more deliberate your leads are, the more successful this strategy is going to be, and the better conversion you're going to have in the sales process. So that's how you send the connection invitations.